Morning.
We are going on a boat. So today we are embarking on our journey to Laos.
I made Monica do it in luxury. We almost got the standard boat.
The public boat, which is like £20.
£20, but they cram everyone into the boat. There's about, I don't know, it's a small boat.
It's a small boat and it's
like,
kind of like a free-for-all on seats.
Yeah.
It's like first come, first serve.
There's no real seats. You're made to sit on like the floor. This could be our actual Uber.
This could be our guy. We're going to stop right here.
Yeah. There's a lot of people here.
Well, there's a lot of boats.
There's a lot of boats.
Who's going to carry the boats?
Who's going to carry the boats? Anyway, like we were saying, we think there's like 30 people on it max, compared to like 60.
Yeah,
so
there's quite a big queue in front of us right now. So.
Wow. Oh yeah. Also, we get food on this boat. We get food.
And our accommodation is included.
Yeah.
Which has breakfast as well. And also we'll make like stops at like caves and villages and.
I think we can swim at
some
point.
More like a tour.
Yeah. They told us to bring our swim trunks or to pack it, make it like easy access. What was that? Easy access. So we might go swimming at some point. And we get lunch. I don't think the other boats get lunch.
No,
so.
We're at the immigration office right now. So
yeah.
We're gonna sort out our visas on arrival.
Yeah, we'll let you know how easy it is, but here's the queue in front of us so far.
So lots happened actually. We're on a boat. We're on a boat and we went through immigration. And immigration was a bit of a slow process.
Very unorganised.
Yeah. I feel like their computer kept crashing and they were just kind of handing out passports and they're like, whose passport's this? And I was like, okay.
Yeah. So the whole process took about like an hour and a half, which isn't bad at all. Maybe 2 hours. Unorganised, but it was so fine. Like, it was inside.
Yeah, it was like on one bus to go there, and then we on another bus to go here, and then we went on the boat, and it was kind of like everyone was doing our bags for us. Like we didn't have to touch the bags, which was quite nice. And then we got on the boat, and like everyone had their seat like names on the like benches.
Yeah, so it's seats of 4.
Yeah.
So it's us 2 and then another couple in there, also from England, also from London.
Yeah, Essex.
Yeah.
So yeah, like as soon as we got down, we just basically started like speaking to them.
Yeah, we haven't really taken in any of that. Yeah.
We were like, look, cows. Yeah.
What is your name? What is your name? So all of these language, they have different language speaking, different culture, different tradition, different costume. But today we will focus on Kamutrap. As you can see, this I'm wearing is Kamutrap because I am from Kamutrap, and we like to live in the mountain and we like to farming. That is our main job.
Okay, so we just got back. We've just been at a village, a stop-off village on our way down to Pak Beng, and it is proper eye-opening.
Yeah.
Like we are just walking into their homes, and their homes are like these bamboo huts. It's got metal like ceilings and stuff. It does feel like proper intrusive though, doesn't it? Like,
Yeah, it feels like we're just in their area, in their like homes, just filming them. Whilst they're just trying to live.
Yeah, you know, like imagine someone coming into your yard.
Croydon.
And to coming into Croydon. But the kids were so cute. Wah. Yeah. But yeah, they're farmers, so we learned a bit about them and like their lifestyle, and I did film a bit of it on there, so you'd get it. Like, they are farmers up in the mountains. The kids do go to school. There's schools within the village, and then it's a lot cheaper than Europe. Some of them
by a significant
by
amount.
a significant amount.
But then they can choose if they want to go to uni or not. Oh, actually,
Yeah, about 60% of them, she said, go to uni.
Very eye-opening for sure.
And the kids, we saw the kids today because they have like a half day on a Wednesday, so that's why they went to school.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Definitely recommend if you're out there and you want to do the 2-day slow boat, I'd never upgrade to this one.
Yeah.
Just because it is worth it. Like, there is a lot of space. I'm very comfortable. I don't know about you, but I'm very comfortable.
Yeah.
You've got like some beds up there if you want to lie down. You
Yeah.
go out the front. Everything's
you can
all
sit in the
sorted
sun.
for you. Yeah, sit in the sun.
And like with all the inclusions, obviously you are still paying more, but like with all the inclusions, it's not that much more. Maybe £80.
Yeah.
Like,
Look at the sun. You can't see, but there's the sun.
yeah, I think worth it.
I think worth it. You're welcome.
I think we've arrived. I think this is yeah, we've arrived. Welcome to Pakbeng.
Is it? I think we've arrived.
No shush. Say welcome to.
Welcome to Pakbeng. Sorry guys, Monica wants to say something.
Just that we've. Okay, we're at Sabadi restaurant because our tour guide recommended us to go here.
And they do some fried tofu.
They do a lot of vegan dishes, so it's a must.
If you told me I'll be in a reggae bar
Reggae.
in Laos, I would have said, huh?
You can take the Jamaican out of Jamaica, but you can't take the reggae out of the Jamaican.
Big up Marley.
Big up Marley.
No way! Alright, day 2 of the boat journey.
We had a really lovely night last night. We went to this restaurant called Sabadi, which our tour guide recommended.
So everyone went there.
So everyone was like, yeah. It was really nice. And then we went down to a like Jamaican reggae bar, which was actually really fun. And we played some pool. Can you not? Your ankles are rubbish.
Sorry, I'm distracted.
Yeah,
We have to focus going down here though.
that was 10:10. I'm not sure where we're going.
To one of them.
Oh, to one of them over there. Okay. See you in a second. We're now making the climb down to our boat. It's a bit of a steep one in the sand, so wish us luck. But yeah, this is day 2 of our slow boat down. Yeah, can't wait for more views.
More views, more booze.
Booze. I love that. No, they gave us blankets.
Yeah, bro. Oh, it's chess, an online thing. I'm trying to play it with my gal. Make it make sense.
Make it make sense.
It is cold
Quite cold.
and breezy.
Yeah.
It's breezy.
Blankets. Quite cold.
Vegetarian, but with egg. If you eat egg, it's okay. Perfect. And then the fry, this one is over there.
Food, we got veg.
Say hello. It's really cool. It smells.
Hello.
2 days down. Last, like what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, we have had a long day. Had a great day. We went to the caves, which you saw. And then when we got back into the boat, we then drove another 20 minutes, I think, to this like village. And
Weird village.
She called it the Whiskey Village, the Happy Village, because they made whiskey there, and we got to try some of the whiskey, which we probably shouldn't have.
I said no, and this one
Because everyone else
said
was
yeah. Peer pressure, bro.
peer pressure. Safety in numbers though, right?
I said no, just so you guys know.
So but you drunk it?
Mhm.
You drunk it.
Obviously, if you're gonna die, I've gotta die too.
We all were gonna die together. So
Yeah.
we had 3 different ones, and 2 of them were really nice. They were like actually quite sweet.
Yeah.
And they were 15%. And she just showed like the whole like process of making it. And then it was a proper like crafts village, you know. Everyone had like all their what they call
Shops. It was like their shops in the house.
of like the towels and stuff, and the trousers, and all their like handcrafts. And it was really lovely to see them. Like you could see that it was like handcrafted.
It was lovely, but it felt like
yeah.
they would approach you and like bring you into their shop kind of, and you can't look at them for more than 1 second, or else
Yeah.
they'll like approach you and then like try.
You felt
bring you
bad
in.
for walking away, like you were giving them hope, and then they were like saying the prices, and it was like, you know, buy something, please buy something, and you're like,
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
And then the one she charged us, or she was gonna charge us like what, $5.
Yeah.
And then we walked past and we walked back and she's like, oh, $4.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I would, but I have no space.
I know, and it's stuff that like we wouldn't use, we wouldn't make use of it. It's just a waste for us.
Yeah.
But you did buy a Red Bull, nice bottle of Red Bull, so supporting the community a little bit. We're nearly in Luang Prabang. We're back on the boat. Got some views again.
Yeah, like the sun is. The sun's not setting, but it feels like. Actually,
it
no,
feels
it
like
is.
misty. Like,
Yeah, let me show you guys.
yeah.
This is our view right now. Nice and zen. Everyone's relaxing. It's nice and chill. Not worry in the world.
Not a worry in the world.
But yeah, we sorted out our Airbnb too.
After that mix up.
Yeah, I messaged and asked if we can move in today, and they said yeah, that's fine. So we have to pay at the door. It's an extra £20, which is so fine.
£10 each.
£10 each.
Easy.
But yeah, we've got 5 days in Luang Prabang, and we'll see what we do. Hello, my friends. We have just arrived at our yard after some complications. The guy at the desk didn't know that we messaged asking if we can check in today. So he said no, they're all fully booked. But I guess the manager, he came as we were leaving, and he was like, "Oh yeah, like, I'll what do you say? I'll sort you out," or like he basically handled all our stuff. So now we are in this room for one day, and then we have to move.
We got an upgrade. Pew, pew, pew,
Pew, pew, pew. But we have to move upstairs tomorrow.
Yeah, nice wooden floor.
Yeah.
And then we got some decor.
Grace and decorum.
Writing desk.
This is where I'm gonna do my work, and then look at the view. Ooh. Yeah, open that. We have a nice little balcony, one chair, so that'll be where I sit too.
Okay, this will be where I sit. Mace is working.
I'll be sat there doing some work.
And then
She'll be sat there. I think we're gonna get that carpet right there and just put it out there, right there for her.
And then view. And we should get sunrise.
Yeah, so the sun is setting that way right now, so we should get a nice sunrise in the morning if we wake up early, which we will.
Which we will. We'll make sure of it because we're getting chucked out of here.
Yeah, but look at the view.
This room.
This whole room.
Excuse me. You
can be in it. Okay, so this whole room, I know because I paid for it, is £10 a night, £10 each a night.
£10 each a night.
So altogether, the cost for 5 days, 4 nights, 5 nights, 6 days
5 nights,
is £100.
£102.
£102, give or take £2.
It's okay. Because I booked it, so I know.
We booked it as a team.
Yeah, we're gonna go head out for dinner now. And this has been our 2-day slow boat journey to Laos, to Luang Prabang. Luang Prabang.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks
Hopefully
for
you
following
guys
the journey.
enjoyed. If you did enjoy,
like, comment, and subscribe.
yes sir.
Also, 100% recommend the company that we went with, which was called
Nagi
of Mekong
or
River.
Maggie? Was it Maggie or Nagi?
Nagi.
Nagi of Mekong River.
Nagi of Mekong River.
And
the lady who
Tick.
ran it.
Her name's Tick.
Her name's Tick. 10 out of 10. She's like so sweet, so dreamy. Yeah. So 100% if you do book your trip, it only runs on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays.
Which is when the kids are out of school at their little village, so you feel sorry for them, so you give more money to them.
Yeah.
But they deserve it.
But yeah, thanks for following along, and thanks for the support. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.